Alright, example 10, solve the linear system of inequalities. Give one solution and one non-solution example. So first of all, we have to get both of these in slope-intercept form in order to graph them. So let's do that to the first one. 10x plus y is greater than 5. So I have to get y by itself, so I subtract 10x on both sides. Alright, I have y is greater than negative 10x plus 5. Okay. So we have to do the same thing to the second equation. I have 2x minus y less than or equal to 7. Subtract 2x on both sides. Of negative y less than or equal to negative 2x plus 7. I have to get y by itself, so divide everything by negative 1. Since I divided by negative, my inequality symbol switches to greater than or equal to, and then I have negative 2x divided by negative 1 is positive 2x. And then 7 divided by negative 1 is negative 7. Okay, so now let's graph both of these. To graph the first inequality, I have to identify my slope. My slope is negative 10 over 1. My y-intercept is 5. Okay, so let's start on the y-axis at 5. And slope is negative 10 over 1, so I go down 10 to the right 1. And then to the right 1. Down 10 to the right 1. And I go up 10 to the left 1. Alright, since my inequality symbol is greater than, it has no or equal to, my line has to be dashed. Okay, and then to figure out which way I shade, I plug in this origin point, 0, 0. So if 0 is greater than negative 10 times 0 plus 5, anything times 0 goes away. And 0 is greater than 5, and that's not true. So I can't shade this side that includes the 0, 0 point. I have to shade everything to the right of the line. Okay. So now I do the same thing to the second equation. I have to figure out my slope, which is 2 over 1, and my y-intercept, which is negative 7. So I start at negative 7 on the y-axis, and slope is 2 over 1, so we'll go up 2 to the right 1. And then to extend the line, I have to go down to left 1. Alright, and then this inequality symbol is greater than or equal to. Since it has the or equal to, my line is part of my solution, so I have to draw a solid line. And then also I test which side to shade. Do I shade the side with the 0, 0, or do I shade the side without the 0, 0? So I'm going to plug in 0 is greater than or equal to 2 times 0 minus 7. So if 0 is greater than or equal to negative 7. And that is true. So I shade everything that includes a 0, 0, so above the blue line. Alright, so my solution to this system is everything in the dark blue area, including this solid line right here. So for example, a solution could be 3, 4. And then everything that's not in the dark blue area, so the pink, the white, and the blue, this is all not a solution. So for example, like this point right here, 7, negative 6 is not a solution.